Now you'll notice when we come into our ad group, we have tabs across the top here. Now the first one, Summary, it gives us a quick overview of what's going on with our campaign. Here, if we were part of the search network, if we turn that on, we would see the status in here. It shows us our bids, our clicks and impressions, and our conversion tracking, which we'll go over later. Down here, we have our content network, and we've targeted placements, and it shows us our bids, and again, our impressions and our clicks, our conversion rates. Keywords allow you to put keywords on your ad placements. So if you had a site like, for instance, Blogspot that has 1 million different blogs on it, and you only wanted to show on blogs that had to do with WordPress, all you have to do is add keywords and then enter the keyword. So let's put WordPress. This is a handy feature that allows you to be more targeted with your ad. Okay, so you can just read the little explanation they give you there. Click Continue. Like I said, this is going to give you a much better targeting for your campaign. You'll get fewer impressions, but the traffic that you do get is going to be more targeted. Okay, so click on Placements now. This shows you the sites that you're targeting here, status, clicks, and impressions. And then your ad variations. You can create as many ads as you want in here. We could have done that as we set up the campaign, but we can do that now at any time just by changing them here. A good thing to do is to have 2 ads going at once and see which one performs better. So I would actually put a second ad in here at any rate. Then what you do is you monitor which ones are getting more clicks, and then you would change that ad, and then you would keep that ad, and you would change out the ad that isn't performing as well. You also have a little thing down here called View All Tabs at Once. You can click on that, and then you have a linear view of the whole thing here. Okay, so after sufficient time has gone by, say 2 hours, if you don't have any clicks or impressions, especially impressions, then you're going to need to up your bid a little bit. Clicks are another matter. This will be having something to do with your ad, and the click-through rate's going to be low anyway because you're actually being served in the content network rather than in the search network. But you need to be concerned about your impressions. So if you're getting no impressions, you need to go increase your bid. So let's go back to the campaign, and then from here we can change the bids on each of our ad groups. So just click here, then click Edit Bids. So try up in your bid here. And then save the changes. Now monitor it and see how it does. Now one other thing we should look at is conversion tracking, because conversion tracking gives you a better idea of how your campaigns are performing. So to do that, you need to turn conversion tracking on. So let's go through how to do that. Now the real test of how a campaign is performing is not the number of impressions or the number of clicks, but it is the cost per conversion. And Google can calculate all of this for you just by using the conversion tracking feature. All you have to do is turn on conversion tracking. I've already got it on this site, but you can just go through the wizard and then you can turn on the conversion tracking. So just click Create an Action. Then here we give it a name. So let's call it Sale of WordPress Videos. Then the type of action. Now there are different types you can use. Purchase sale, which is what we're doing here. a sign up, a lead, or a view of a key page. These are all different things you can track depending on what you're doing, but in this case we're going for purchase or sale. Now this is how much each conversion is worth. So in other words, this is the price of our product. It helps our reporting be more accurate. Well, not particularly be more accurate, but it gives us more information on our reporting. Now here you set the language of your conversion page and the security level, whether you're HTTP or HTTPS. And then down here you can customize the little picture it puts on here. It has to put a little picture on there to track the conversion. You can choose a color here. So you can save action and get code. And now it's given us some conversion code. So all you have to do is highlight this and then copy it. And now we paste it on our conversion page or our download page. That way, when somebody comes through AdWords, they click on our ad on somebody's site, they do a purchase and get to our download page, Google AdWords tracks that for us and will give us a cost per conversion and the profit on our conversion. So let's put this on our download page. Okay, so I brought up my download page in Notepad. Now all I have to do is go down to the bottom of the page and just above the last body tag here where it says /body, I just paste in my code like so, and then I save. Now I upload this page to my server and the conversion tracking will start to work. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to get the conversion tracking set up. So you've now learned everything you need to know about setting up placement targeted campaigns in Google AdWords. The key is to, once you get it set up, to monitor your progress and check how you're doing with your impressions and your clicks and your conversion rate. These are the keys to a successful campaign.